All right, we are right back here. And so that last video, I was talking about how to make money with AI and what the gurus are teaching and what's actually being done. And the evidence was inconclusive. So I thought, what if I just go ahead and put this in the chat GPT and see what it says, see what you can do to make money. And let's just go through, and this is a $20 version. I'm going to go through just a new chat and I'm going to let you know what's happening here. Let's see if I can share my screen, record screen. No, I can't really share it. So I should throw this in there and then I'll let you know what's going on. Just putting the whole transcript in there. And I'm just going to say, hey, so I want to get to the bottom of this. Your honest thoughts. Do you actually know how to make money in AI? For entrepreneurs, businesses, based on this research, is there any clear path for just a regular guy to make and earn, let's just say, rent from AI tools? Honest opinion. I'll give you the honest. AI is cash printing product from AI's leverage inside a boring service. And then I'll tell you what I'd actually do to make rent. This is what ChatGPT is saying. It's going to be, yes, my honest answer, I don't know how a regular person can make money with AI, but the path is not AI makes money. The path is AI helps you deliver a business outcome faster, cheaper, or at higher margin. Your research is basically circling the right conclusion. Businesses are not buying prompts. They are buying time-saving lead follow-up and content output, workflow cleanup, customer support, reporting, sales enablement, coding help, admin reduction. Your script says the real opportunity is setting up AI systems for small and mid-sized businesses that can't do it themselves. The data backs that up. McKinsey's 2025 AI service says that companies are seeing cost and revenue benefits from AI use cases, but only 39% report enterprise level EBIT impact, which means most businesses are still messy, experimental, and need implementation help. Implementation help is a big one, and that just means you have to put the time in to fix them. You'd have to know what to implement in order to help them. Deloitte, I don't know that word, Deloitte 2026 Enterprise AI report says the top achieved benefit is still productivity and efficiency, with 66% of organizations reporting gains there. Menlo Ventures also found that enterprise AI spend is shifting toward AI applications because companies want immediate productivity gains, not abstract infrastructure. Immediate productivity gains. So if you're researching how to make money, immediate productivity gains from applications, there's a clear path, but it is service first, not product first. And that's important to note. So is AI, you're providing a service with AI. The real path to making rent with AI, to make rent from AI, the easiest path is not building the next Headshot Pro app or faceless channel. The easiest path is pick one painful business workflow, use AI to make it faster, sell the result to businesses that already spend money, charge setup and monthly report. That is the whole game. Real estate agents, local service businesses, listing description generator, neighborhood page system, short form video scripts, seller lead follow-up, market update newsletter. That's a lot of customer journey stuff there. For real estate agents, maybe they can't do it themselves. They might be able to build AI themselves, but you might want to build something for them that works within their business. And that would be building an agent or some sort of application. Local services, missed call text back, quote request triage, review request automation, chatbot FAQ intake, content repurposing. So yeah, that's productivity gained right there. So yeah. Can it work? This is great for if you really are a go-getter and can really want to go out and tell people and try to convince them that you can save them time. Coaches, course creators, sales page, rewrites, email sequences, cleaning up. It's none of this is sexy. That's why they work. It's cleaning up. And that's the pain point is it's dirty. It's not happening. So what you want is an AI content follow-up system for your local businesses. Here's the offer. It says, I help local businesses turn one filming session, one meeting, or one batch of raw notes into a month of usable marketing content. Captions, email, log drafts, short form scripts, Google Posts, lead follow-up templates. That's very interesting. The best AI business models ranks from realistic to hardest. Most realistic is AI assisted service businesses. Use AI to do the marketing, admin, right? It's no, I don't get, see, the point is it's not scalable right there. And this knows that I'm a marketer. I just don't see this as scalable without set these stemming tools. You are telling someone to use AI to fix other people's businesses. You know more about it than them. Solve time saving things when they probably don't know biggest pain point. This seems far-fetched. Fetched for someone who just lost a job and wants quick income. Yeah. And of course, the AI is going to agree with you, and you have to go just spend a lot of time with it. Yeah. And all this stuff is, it's probably what other people are getting. A random person walking into an HVAC company, law firm, or agency saying, I'll use AI to save you time is going to get exposed quickly. The business person knows their shit better. The beginner does not know the pain points. It would be better coming from a company within that's already selling things. There's really no good offers right now. I'll build AI automations for your business. That's a bad offer. Better offer, I'll write and schedule your next 30 social. That's social media. Of course, people want that, but I'll turn one video into 10 scripts. Better offer, I'll create a website FAQ assistant that answers your top 20 customer. And that's also marketing and design. Yeah. Fastest path is not scalable at first, and that's the painful truth. Quick income and scalability are opposites, and this is all what ChatGPT is telling me. Yeah. Okay. So, the saying content repurposing, local business content cleanup, cleaning up your website service pages, just cleaning up their website, which is all just with so much time in, for so little value. We would need to call like hundreds of businesses, then make a website, business card, get trust. It's just not really viable. Why not just get a job? That's just business. Everything it told me is just business. So it says, honestly, you're probably, why would you just get a job? Getting a job is usually more rational move. Bootstrapping an AI business from scratch, you'd have to be a sniper. The truth is, you need to be a sniper. If you, no income, no audience, no savings, if you just lost your job today, first thing you should do is make a resume. Now, what you can do on the side is, knowing what your job is, list all the pain points. So let me see here. Yeah, side business. Okay, side business. Again, it's saying write website copy. Why do you keep returning to website copy in social? It is because, I do that because I know you already do that. So it's realistic. It is very saturated for a random person. It still requires sales. You're going to need sales. Let's see. AI does not, this is a good quote. AI does not create an income path equally for everyone. It amplifies whatever advantage you already have. So that is an interesting, and that might be the best thing I've heard so far today. Learn AI and then make money. Yeah, that is not what AI is. So for someone else, it's bookkeeping, it's recruiting, it's customer support, it's data cleanup, it's coding, it's something that you feel like you have an edge in. That's the better frame. That I get that. Yeah. AI is telling you to get a job first, then use AI. What if your job is gone? That's marketing and you have nothing left. We quick money tomorrow. Says AI business is not the answer. Sell labor if you lost your job. Junk removal, dog walking, babysitting, delivery apps, Craigslist gigs, event setup, tear down. Okay, that's A. But this is now we're getting to a clear way to use AI money. Sell something you own. Here, this is, and for laid off, this is actually something to dig into. These are viable pain points that AI businesses can solve. You were not thinking about this before or asking question research, but now it changes its these are pain points in the real world that you can solve. They're boring. No one wants to do it. Pressure washing, blah, 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 blah. Dog walking. No one wants to do all that stuff. Yard work. So yeah, you used to just be able to do yard work all summer and make a living. So AI does not need to solve the physical task, but it can solve the messy layer around the physical task. Removing the pain is not, I need an AI agent. The pain is, I need someone today. I don't know who to trust. I don't want to call 5 people. I need a price fast. And I used to use Craigslist for this. I needed a lot of junk removal and I would just call a bunch of people up. Right. And so what you can do here is you can actually create a listing here from junk removal, and you can help people who are removing junk find customers. That's simple marketing, or give them a phone number to call, set up their Google AI business. But again, hey, I'm going to send you leads. I know that's marketing at the end of the day. AI helps with writing, responding to leads, estimating based on photos, creating quote templates, making flyers, creating a booking form, texting reminders, posting before and after content, following up for reviews, generating Craigslist posts, tracking jobs in a sheet. This is all marketing. This is all okay. Is AI just better marketing? And that's why I don't have a job. Most AI marketing ideas are not new businesses. Or AI money ideas are not big businesses. They're old businesses with better lead generation, response speed, quoting, scheduling, following up, content, trust building, review collection, basic operations. So when someone says AI can help junk removal business, they mean AI helps the business get found, respond faster, and look more professional and follow up better. It's mostly just marketing and operations. AI is not better marketing, it's better business friction removal. So let's see. Yeah, and this is all still business and research. And I feel like this at the end of the day kind of debunks some of the claims that people are saying about how to make money. And there really is no verdict. The verdict is AI is mostly better marketing for businesses. It sharpens the businesses and it sharpens what you already have. And that's the biggest takeaway I'd say for anyone who's trying to learn AI right now, or anyone who is looking at their job and trying to figure out what's going to get replaced. Look at what AI can sharpen for you and do that and become the sharpest tool you can be for your boss. Pick a cash now service, use AI to market and manage it better, get paid, repeat. That could work. I would say AI is marketing now that I watched this and talked about it. But yeah, that's so funny. Speed and polish. That's what you're looking for. All right, I'm going to sign off on this video. Who knows what I'm going to cover next? That might have been productive just to see me go through that. If you like that format, let me know. Yeah, we're still on the hunt. We're still on the hunt for what AI really is, what the money's spending on it, but we're debunking a lot of things on the way and really getting down to its application. And if you're interested, I would say in AI or marketing, you're in the right place. If you're a business owner looking to be an entrepreneur, looking for side hustles, you're definitely in the right place. If you have a main hustle, you should probably be looking for a side hustle right now because AI is going to steal your main hustle. And that's just how that goes. And if you've got a comfortable salary career, congratulations. And you have a pension, congratulations. We'll see what happens when they start giving AI pensions. I'll let you guys know. Anything else I discover that's interesting, I'm going to be putting on this channel. Check back for more and give me some feedback based off of what you like, what you want answered, what you're curious about that we might be able to cover with a little bit of research. My goal is to be able to research these things that AI can research on a surface level, but cut through them because there's a collective conscious and there's people that have these thoughts like, hey, I need to be using AI for my business. What's your business? Where are you going to start? Or, hey, AI is bad. And I'm really just trying to cut through all of that to help us figure out really what's happening in the world and how our lives can be improved and changed with what we have. All right. Take it easy.